They are the inspirational faces of the Courageous Faces Foundation, people with rare and severe medical conditions the foundation supports with personalized direct attention to their needs so they can live the most productive life possible. People like Reggie with an incurable condition which has caused a large facial tumor, plus a 48-inch tumor on his leg, needing him to spend 25 minutes just sewing his only pair of pants just to get dressed. Courageous Faces contacted celebrity designer Alan Rouleau and the Custom Tailored Designers Association, who decided to craft Reggie an entire new wardrobe.
Courageous Faces, there were people that was willing to accept me. I didn't know. That's what really changed me. It really has made a big, tremendous difference in my life.
And Johnny, at 4 years old, burned over 97% of his body in a fire in a storage shed where he was playing. Courageous Faces Foundation arranged for Robert Barron, a former CIA disguise specialist, to craft prosthetic ears for him to help him look more like he did before the fire took them. Courageous Faces support can range from a wheelchair lift for Maddie to give her more independence in her own place, to an effective presentations workshop to better equip her to tell her story, and a photo shoot to boost her personal publicity portfolio, or Hannah, who suffered an almost life-ending reaction to taking an antibiotic. With the foundation's support, she's now inspirationally giving back to others.
The number one thing that Courageous Faces Foundation has done for me is instill this inner confidence that I've never had before. A few years ago, I would have been like, no, I could never do that. I'm never the type of girl who could be powerful, be somebody who inspires others. And now I see myself, and it's like a new woman is staring back at me. And I say to myself, I can do that, and let them know that they can learn things too through their own trials.
It's all just a snapshot of the lifelong, consistent personal support Courageous Faces dedicates to our inspirational faces with rare and severe medical conditions so they don't just survive, but thrive.
From all of us at Courageous Faces, thank you!